How to transfer your photos to Koofr on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to transfer your photos to Koofr on Facebook mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and then click these three lines in the top corner and then go down, click settings and privacy and then settings, and here just go down until you find this one, transfer a copy of your information, and then click next and select Koofr and go to videos and click none if you want to transfer your photos only, and then click next. And now just connect your Facebook with Koofr, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and see you in the next video.